Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Cake flour is the only flour used in this recipe because it has lower protein, about 7% to 8%, which gives donuts a tender, cakey crumb rather than chew. Use 300 g cake flour, not all-purpose or bread flour, to maintain a fine crumb and light texture. This technique makes cake-style donuts, not yeast-risen donuts, and the entire process from mix to finish takes about 60 minutes, including brief resting and cooling times, so plan accordingly. Start by creaming 115 g unsalted butter with 150 g granulated sugar until pale and aerated. Add 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing well. In a separate bowl, whisk 300 g cake flour with 1 tsp baking powder, 1/4 tsp baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Alternate folding the dry mix with 120 ml whole milk into the butter egg base until a soft, scoopable batter/dough forms. It should hold shape but still be slightly sticky, so chill for 20 minutes if too loose before cutting. Turn chilled dough onto a lightly floured surface and roll to 1/2 inch thick. Cut rings with a 7 cm cutter and a 2 cm center hole, realigning scraps once. Heat oil to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, and fry donuts 60 to 90 seconds per side until golden brown, using a thermometer to maintain temperature. Overcooling oil causes soggy donuts. Drain on a wire rack, cool for 5 minutes. Then dip warm donuts in a simple glaze made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.